Hello everyone, today in front of us we have this Motorola Moto G52 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show the top 3 apps for this device. So the first app is called Notify Buddy, and it allows you to install and apply some custom LED notifications for your phone. So let's go ahead and set it up first. We gotta give it the phone permission, overlay permission. So here just look for the Notify Buddy application, turn on the switch, then get back. Also, it is required to give this application the notification permission as well, so we'll do just that. And battery optimization, as you can see, it's optional, so we'll not touch it as for right now. Next, once the app has been successfully set up, we can go ahead and start enabling the notifications that are going to be LED. So the first app contains all the apps that you can set the custom LED notifications for. So let's say we are going to, configure them for the Opera. So let's turn on the switch, then tap on it. Here you are able to either turn on or off the LED notifications, just what color you would like them to be. So I'll leave it at red, for example, and choose the shape of it as well. The second tab contains the extended list of things that you can set the LED notifications for, not only apps but some other system notifications or system stuff, so it's just basically everything that supports notifications in general. Next, there is the third tab, which contains all the apps that we have enabled the LED lights notifications for. So in our case it's going to be just Opera, because we just have switched on the notifications for it, or should I say LED notifications. And the last tab is like the general settings page, where you can configure and manage all the settings that this app has to offer. So there are countless settings that you can play with, but what we are particularly interested in is this very purple test button. Once we tap on it, we'll get the preview of what the notifications that we have set up will look like. As you can see, this blinking teal light right here. So that's exactly how our notifications will look, but obviously if you have set any other color, it will look, or shape, it will look the other way. So basically that's pretty much everything we wanted to let you know about the Notify Buddy app. So we're moving on to the second application that is called PhotoMath, and it's the very useful app for dealing with math problems. All you gotta do in order for this app to help you to solve any math problem is to take a photo of it, or upload the picture. So here we'll say that we are 30, we are a student. Here there is some presentation of what this app is capable of and how this app should be used. Next, we'll go ahead and allow the app the access to camera. So we'll go to the permissions. Here, tap on camera, allow only while using the app. Get back and see if we have successfully applied the app access. That means we did. So here I have this quadratic equation written down, so I'll go ahead and take a photo of it and let the app do the magic. So all you gotta do in order for the math equation or any problem to be solved is you just frame it inside this frame and take a photo of it by tapping on this red circle. So I'll go ahead and do it now. So I've took a photo, it gets scanned in a way, and as you can see, our quadratic equation has been successfully solved. Here we can look at the detailed solving steps that it took, and not only that, we can also go and get some explanation for basically each step that the app has used in order for this math problem to be solved. So very useful and handy app if you are somebody who is dealing with math problems on a daily basis, or somebody who needs to solve math problems in general. And the last app is called Caffeine, and in part of opening it and showing what this app is capable of, I'll go to the settings, display category, and show you the fact that it will choose the screen timeout option, we'll see that the maximum value that we can set is 30 minutes. So what if we want for it to be at the never value, so our screen will not turn off automatically no matter for how much time it will be in idle status? Well, that is exactly what this caffeine app helps you to achieve. So in order for you to activate the never screen timeout value, you gotta effectively open it and make sure that the timeout section of it has the infinite value set. And as long as the caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not turn off automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that was it, not only for the caffeine app but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.